I like it. What are you doing over there? You're doing a really good job.
Uh-oh. We need more paint. We need more paint.
I think there's enough paint there, buddy. Say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera. Hi, and hi, mama.
Hi, baby. Let me see that hand.
Mommy, camera.
Looks good.
Oh no, my hand is ruined.
It's ruined? You're going to have to teach Declan how to finger paint. Good job, bud. Okay, say bye.